चप्पू चला रही है।
All right, how's everybody doing today? I'm doing great too. Thanks for asking. All right. Paddles up. One hand up in the end like so, the other hand down by the blade. On the count of 3, we're going to reach forward, pull that water back together. On 3, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Stroke. 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 All righty, folks. Welcome aboard the world famous Davy Crockett upper body workout canoe. My name's Wyatt. I'm going to be your guide for the next fun-filled 45 minutes. That is based on our current speed, folks. In the back, steering and driving this thing, my buddy Kyle. Everybody turn and say howdy, Kyle. Keep paddling.
Keep paddling.
Keep on paddling. All 4 of you paddling. Keep it up. All right, we got a few rules out here. Rule number 1: never stop paddling. No motor, no track. You don't row, we don't go. Rule 2, folks: no splashing. The water's green. And rule number 3: never stand up in this canoe while it's moving.
Never stand up.
Stands in a moving canoe, folks.
They won't be standing long.
All right, I'm going to take a seat and help you out. Keep
हारिका गिराना मत चप्पू अपना। अरे बैठ के सिट डाउन।
नहीं सिट होना है बेटा, तो पानी में
हाँ बेटा।
क्या करे बेटा? Look at the beavers. See, Harika, देखो, baby.
हाँ।
Oh, yeah. Only Harika, see the folks are there.
Hari, see that side.
See, you can see a boat.
Hey, Hari, see. Yeah, they are just pretend.
Eating the grass. And did you see that? They will notice you know time with me, okay?
All right, go and take a break, folks. Take a break.
All right, break.
All 4 of you still paddling. Take a break. All right, we're halfway there.
You can take a break, Harika.
The second half is going to be in full public view. So put a big smile on. We want to trick all the people out there into thinking this is a good idea. We're going to try something new, fun, and exciting now, folks. It's called paddling together.
Ah.
Can anybody guess what the key word in that phrase is?
Together.
It's paddling, folks. Together is going to be a bonus for us. Now, folks, who thinks we can pass that big boat up there?
Yeah.
We should be able to. It's not moving right now. Here we go on 3, folks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and stroke. Stroke. All right, keep it up, folks. This is all we're gonna do. Here we go.
Okay, I'm off. We are going to pass the not moving boat. We are going. I think we're zooming. Oh.
तो तुम बना तो चलाएंगे। हारिका देखो।
It's okay. it's okay. Nobody gonna splash no splashing.
Is it real?
No,
I don't know. I don't think it's real. We're getting too close to it. Look at that. That is black. Oh! It was real!
What?
This thing.
Oh, it's bird.
Yeah. I thought it wasn't real because it wasn't moving.
Oh, that's the one they take into the island.
Oh,
that's the... Oh, look, there's a bug for you. What up?
Here, I'm just flashing.
मेरा भी थोड़ा दिखा दो अभी कर रहे हैं
You make it sure we go fast.
Alrighty, folks, we're almost there. A few more good strokes. Who's ready for a second lap? Me too, folks. Had so much fun, I'm probably going again. Right over here, Splash Mountain. Where they come off the big drop. You can see the surprise look they have on their faces to get wet on Splash Mountain.
Yeah, and that would be why I'm not doing splash.
If you guys are up for it, well, you need everybody to be on board. Are you saying no, Sarah? I think it's a journey to Atlantis.
Stop, Kendall.
Here.